Lynn Kuo right now is just killing it. She ran her own boot camp and is quickly expanding that to reach even more people. You can find her on Instagram and Facebook. I learn new things now when I watch her Instagram posts and videos, for example, but she's really made it her own. And I now in turn can learn from what she's posting, and I can refer people to what she's doing. And I certainly have referred people to her program, which is only expanding, really taking your teaching to a new place and enjoying that success.
I participated in Lynn's first violin boot camp and had a fabulous time. It was a really excellent opportunity to dive deeper into the technique classes, and she really helped me with developing an in-depth musical interpretation of the solo works that I was working on. The classes were great, and the structure of the boot camp worked really well for me. I really appreciated the positive energy that Lynn brought to every class that she taught, and it made it a great experience to be part of. It made me eager to want to learn more and eager to want to be part of the community. So I highly recommend Lynn and Lynn's boot camp for anyone who might be thinking about it or looking to dive deeper into a musical experience.
A few months ago, Dr. Lynn gave a fantastic online masterclass to my students here in Tucson. She shared creative technical solutions, inspired new musical ideas, and most of all, she made it a lot of fun. And those are the qualities I think that are foundational to her violin bootcamp as well.
I always have difficulty have effective practicing. I practice a lot, but I find a lot of time things just doesn't stick. And also didn't have very clear self-knowledge about what kind of violinist I am. Lynn has 180 degrees changed that for me. She is able to break things down to minute details to the point I can understand and that I can fix the problems and I can see the deep issues all at the same time. With her teachings, I just immediately see results. She also is a great motivator and she's extremely patient. She has changed my violin life. She has changed my life.
I had recently completed Dr. Lynn's violin bootcamp, and I will say that I was made to feel very, very included, even though I'm a violist. Being a freelancer based in New York, you never really have the time to practice and take care of things, for improvement, and this was such a wonderful safe space for me to work on improvement and be part of a community, which she really actually made me feel. And some people were preparing for auditions. I was just looking to get myself to do even a scale and learn some repertoire, and it was such a wonderful, fun experience, for experimenting and learning from one's mistakes, again in a very safe environment. And Dr. Lynn's bootcamp really is a wonderful product. She has everything from technique to obviously musical ideas that are wonderful. I've had private lesson with her. I've actually taken the course, and I highly recommend it, and it's something that I actually would like to continue in the future for myself, because I'm holding myself accountable without pressure, and it just was a wonderful, all-around wonderful experience, and I wouldn't hesitate to do it again. I would actually encourage you, for those of you who are not quite sure, you make it for what it is for yourself. It's an investment, even though there's finances involved, it's an investment for yourself. And trust me, you will get a really good end result working with Dr. Lynn. I can promise you that from my personal experience. I say do it.